Jared, little 363 small block Ford, just got done running it. Everything went great. Give you a description. It's a combination. Got the AFR cylinder heads on it. Scorpion roll rockers. Got one of our custom ground camshafts, custom Pistons, 4340 grain. It's EFI, multi-point, all Holley stuff. Terminator X, extremely nice system. Got the Pro M manifold on it, Holley throttle body, Holley dual sync distributor. Go in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, let's see, down at 3,800, it's 423 foot-pounds of torque. It's like a peak torque 454 and peak horsepower of 537. This customer, he kind of wanted the peak power at 7,000. It's our 530 horsepower version. So obviously with the front end on it, it runs really, really good. Peaks power where he wanted to. So we'll get her off there and get in a crate. Come your way. Have a great day.